Who wouldn't want an AI that can make pizza? And this is already kind of possible. So let's talk about pizza. Welcome to the Machinations channel. If you are interested in AI or other related topics, please consider subscribing. Pizza is probably the most popular food for programmers because it's easy to cook, cheap to order, fills you up, and is still very tasty on the next day. So it is no surprise that pizza is also a popular test object for experiments with AI. A program has been developed at the MIT that can create pizza, or to be precise, only images of pizza. I know that's a bit disappointing. The program is called Pizza GAN. The GAN stands for Generative Adversarial Networks, and is a special kind of AI that is particularly good at creating realistic looking images. The student's goal was to create images of pizza with any set of ingredients and also to remove ingredients from real images. So you could remove the olives from your pizza. Of course, like any AI, it needs images to learn from, and we are talking about a giant number of images. Where do you get that many images of pizza? It's simple, Instagram. Pizza is by far the most photographed food in the world and accordingly gets uploaded on Instagram quite often. There are nearly 40 million photos with the hashtag pizza on Instagram. That should be enough to learn what pizza looks like. But what happens when we order pizza from our AI? Let's see the process of removing these olives. First, the pizza is analyzed to see exactly what ingredients were used originally. Here it's pepperoni, olives, and a bit of basil. Then we analyze the order in which the ingredients are stacked on the pizza. It's first the pepperoni, then the olives, and on top the basil. After this is done, the information is used to calculate an image that does not contain any olives. Looks fantastic, right? At least if you ignore what happens to the shirt of the man in the background. If you look very closely, you can also see that the AI cheats a little bit by not making the olives disappear at all. It just changes the color to make them look like cheese. Here are a few more examples. But this program can also be used to add ingredients. And that works even better. Want some pepperoni? Here you go. Some olives to go with it? Bon appetit! Would you like some arugula as well? Yeah, that looks more like the pizza we left over 2 weeks ago. Maybe this needs some improvement. Anyway, this program can also help you to cook your pizza when you don't have an oven. We put raw pizza into the pizza GAN, press bake, and it's done. You could say that it's mainly the color that has changed and that the texture is mostly the same, but it's important to know that the AI has no idea what a pizza actually is. If we take that into account, this result is very impressive. And now for the big questions. Why do we need this? Which positive impacts do we expect for our society? Will this AI show us recipes for pizza that are beyond our imagination? Probably not. And to be honest, I don't see any real use cases for this GAN, but it shows the strength and the weaknesses of this technology very well. And it is certainly a good introduction if you want to get started with image manipulation using AI. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.